Rating romantasy books with a simple yes, no, or maybe. Gani guys is, ang uban ani naka-cellophane na is because usually ang mga nabasa na ako is ginabalot na ako siya og plastic cover. Yes. Yes. Maybe. Yes. Maybe. Yes. Yes. Maybe. Yes. Yes. No. Yes. 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 Maybe. Yes. 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 100% yes. Yes. Yes na yes. 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 Maybe. Yes. So that's it. So napansin niyo guys, medyo daghan og yes because nga na ro kadali na i-please as a reader. Di mo pa yung anak ka picky. Di picky pero puro romantasy. Okay, so mga mahilig na genre romantasy. So, bye!